Preparation for the upcoming Monolith Festival 2024 is going on smoothly at the Khasi Heritage Village, located near the famous Sacred Grove at Mauplang Village. Deputy Executive Member, along with the EM and MDCs of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, on Thursday inspected the Khasi Heritage Village. The festival is scheduled to be held on March 7 to 9th. Speaking to media persons, Deputy Chief Executive Member Pinchgain Aim said that the KHEDC is working with the Meghalayan Age to make this event a grand success. He further said that the council wants to showcase the culture and heritage of the local Khasi community through this festival.
Jungka council 2013 pemanda ia ka konsep jungka Monolith festival kadika yau peninam ngalaban hawi kestin peninam me kai karwai ka siau ka syat ka mesti ka tem ka put ku ba mendang ka bam ka di nang ta kitiar ki bengisna mangi mo ki khra khando beti ki wei ndai tang kata mo ki babon ki benta ki bangi haban showcase ni Kementerian Region Silang Jongka Tourism, Meghalayan Age Limited, bagi District Council, including Kahima Mauplang, ngapai kan long success.
The HYC West Khasi Hills District